Hi friends, this is a geometry compass set. This compass set is for high school students or university courses or research drafting, architectural design and architectural engineering. This is a professional kit, and let me open. This comes in a great box, and you can open this box to have all the tools. There are actually two wonderful vibrating bow compass, extension beam, interchangeable accessories, pen, pencil, stylus or marker slide. Ideal, as I mentioned, is ideal for 9 to 12 grade kids, vocational or university courses, or research drafting or architectural design. The extension beam is attached to a large ferocious Viking bow compass and is used to draw large circles and arcs up to 55.88 cm in diameter. It's a perfect for drawing the big scale, and this is a pencil with a small lead thing. And as I mentioned, like this also includes a sharpening pencil sharpener for sharpening wire points to always create precise arcs and circles. So as I mentioned, show in the first those circle and a small lead container. So all these tools can be used in drawing the best possible shapes. Extension head, as I mentioned before, can be used for the drawing of the big circle. This is the lead for the pencil that I showed before. And this is the small lead case which you can easily replace it when needed. So this have only one lead inside, but you can put more, and you can use and sharpen that using the sharpener to use in the compass. So as I mentioned, these are like all the metal parts and very precise to use these tools. So for a precise circle or any other geometric shape, that including vertical lines, parallel lines, triangles, circles, rectangles, pentagons, etc. So this is pretty helpful and good kit or good geometry set for high schoolers or architectural courses.